equation, polynomial, like even a quadratic, if it has two roots, x minus alpha into x minus beta, this has two roots, but the equation is k times x minus alpha into x minus beta. These might be the factors, but there's also a multiple. By you see what happens is if the roots are alpha and beta, like it's here and here, if you multiply it by 2, the curve will always pass through this, but it might be different. The expression might be different. So we have many expressions here, many polynomials here, which have the same, many quadratics here, which have the same root alpha and beta, and the many will be just decided by k. So let me show you this. Hold on. You see here, x minus 2, x minus 3 is this first red curve, and this is 5x minus. So the curve is, polynomial is different, but the roots are same. If I make this, let's say 4, it will be different. If I make this 6, it will be different. So the k, the roots might be same, but you have many polynomial expressions. Equation, solving the equation equal to 0 cancels this term, na? You see, when I make this equal to 0, this cancels, goes away. So the roots are same. So here what he's saying is, he's saying there's an equation and there are two roots. So the factors will be x minus 1 is equal to minus 1 is a root. So x plus 1 is a factor. X is equal to minus 2 is a root. So uh, x is equal to plus 2 is a root. So x minus 2 is a factor. The other factor, there are 4. The highest power is this, the x is to the power 4. So there will be 4 factors. So the other is this. So we have got x square minus 3x plus 1. We might feel, why not? This is a factor of this. No, it is not coming, because if you, this is not splitting, no? So it's not rational. So these are not the um, this has got no fact. It is a quadratic expression. If you find the roots of this, it becomes minus b. That is the formula, minus b by 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac. Now b is here is 9, minus 3 whole square, which is 9. So 9 minus 4 into 1 into 1. So it's root 5. So it's actually, there will be root 5. So plus minus root 5. So it's neither of this. There are two roots. One root is 3 plus minus 5 over 2. B square is 9 and minus 4ac. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So these are not, so these are independent roots. This has got two roots hidden inside it. So you got four roots. But he says the highest term power is this. So that means this 2 is coming. You see, if you multiply x plus 1 into x minus 2 into x square minus 3x plus 1, no way you will get x is to power 4, because if you try it, you see what is happening. This will become x square minus 1x plus minus 2 x into x square, x into minus 2x, 1x and minus 2. And then you multiply this. So you don't get this, you don't get this 2. So the 2 comes, 2 is the k. 2 is the k, that k thing I said. So this is the polynomial. K here is 2. So this is the answer to this is the polynomial. Now he's saying find the remainder when fx is divided by this. The remainder theorem says that if you substitute 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to half, then you get the remainder. So just put 2 half plus 1 into half minus 2 into half square minus 3 by 2 plus 1, and you will get 1 by 2. This answer. 1 by 8, sorry, 1 by 8.